Underneath the cloudy sky, we set up our little place, tense and laughter in the air, feeling time slow down its pace. Raindrops kiss the river's bend, washing worries far away. In this moment we're alive, letting all our cares decay. Camping in the rain, chilling through the storm. Memories like fireworks, bright and warm. No life's a chance, oh river, flowing wild and free. In the wind's embrace, please find who we're meant to be. Campfire's glow begins to fade, but stories linger on. Echoes of our laughter, even when the rain is gone. Every drop a chapter, every storm a song. In these rainy nights, we know where we belong. Camping in the rain, chilling through the storm. Memories like fireworks, bright and warm. Life's a gentle river, flowing wild and full. In the rain's embrace, we'll find who we're meant to be. Sometimes life's a quieter, unpredictable and gray, but in the rain we say no.